I meet many adults and some teenagers that come to my music school who've been playing guitar for a while. They're usually self-taught, and sometimes they've learned from family and friends. They've come to my music school because even though they've been playing for many years, they feel stuck. When I have them play for me, I can see that they've learned many things, but there are also a lot of holes in their understanding. In particular, a lack of foundation that will likely always hold them back unless they go back and fix it. Some of the missing links include timing problems, not understanding what makes up a chord, or they don't know the names of the chords, not recognizing common patterns in songs, and playing everything with a lot of tension. But one of the biggest things I see is that the basic way they play the notes and chords is not accurate. And they've been doing it for a while, so it's become a habit. This causes everything to sound sloppy and also creates unnecessary effort. In this video, I'm going to show you a simple but profoundly effective exercise that, if done properly and regularly, will solve this problem, or prevent it if you're just starting out. This finger placement exercise is designed to train your fingers to go in just the right spot on the guitar when you play, automatically so you don't have to think about it. We start off very slow, but over time, it becomes automatic and you don't have to even think where your fingers are going. They just go to the right place. I'll show you what it looks like first and we'll break it down. Open string, first finger, second, third, fifth string. Open fourth. One on the second string. And the first string. Okay, here's some of the things to watch out for. I'm putting my finger in just the right spot. That means close to the fret, but not on top of the fret. If it's too far behind, the string tends to buzz. If it's on top, it tends to sound muted. Here's a nice clear sound. And it rings. Keep your fingers down, like that, not like this. You're training your fingers to stay close. Very little effort when your fingers are nice and close. Also, look at my thumb position. Keep it behind the neck, relaxed. Somewhere close to the middle of the neck. It can be a little up or down. Roughly between in the middle of the fingers. Let's do it together, nice and slow. Start with the open sixth string. Open. Now the first finger, just behind the fret. Second finger. Third finger. Should be a little bit of stretch if you're not used to it. Going on to the fifth string. Fourth string. Here we are, the third string. Second string. And the first string. Now, once you've practiced that a little bit and you feel somewhat confident that you get your finger in the right place, start using a metronome and play very slowly with time. Same thing, starting with the first string, third finger. Put all your fingers down to start. Better to go as slow as you need to and get it right and pick up the speed little at a time than to go too fast and do it sloppy. You're developing habits. You want to develop the correct habits. Okay, now for part 2 of this exercise, the more advanced version. Going up to the 5th fret, And I'm going to use 4 fingers. Here's what we're going to end up with. It's the pinky that I'm adding. So we start with the 5th fret on the 6th string. That's an A note, A sharp. Go on to the 5th string. Oh, sorry, no open string there. Stay relaxed. Whoops. And don't talk while you're doing it. Notice how my fingers are curved. They're not like this. They're going up and down. If I release my hand, it just falls off. There's no tension there. It's not grasping the neck. Let's go backwards. Again, keep the fingers closed. Practice slow, and then little by little pick up speed. Good, that's it for today.